Welcome to Falcon Academy. I am Keval Vijay and today I am going to teach you about custom cells, how you can format cells in different ways. For example, sometimes we need to hide data, or sometimes we want to hide text within the data, or maybe we just want to hide the numbers. Or in some cases we want to display fail or pass here, or instead of 0, we want to write not available. Sometimes we might want to add a dollar sign, Rs, or PPR inside the amount field. So, how do we do all this? That's exactly what we're going to learn today. Before starting the lecture on cell formatting, as always, I would like to say that if you learn something new from today's video, if you gain any new knowledge, don't forget to like and share this video. So let's start. As you can see, I have a sheet open here, and whatever I write here, I've typed something here and I've typed something here as well. Here I am typing names like Had, Umar, Rashid, then Anil, and then Mohan. I have typed a few names. After that, I am adding the values here, the amounts that need to be received. Now, what I want is that whenever I enter any data here, it should not be shown, it should be hidden. So for this, what do we need to do? We will select the entire sheet by clicking in the corner and your whole sheet will be selected. Press Ctrl+1 from the keyboard. If Ctrl+1 does not work for you, after clicking on Home, go to the number group and then you will see this arrow here. Click on it and the same dialog box will open. If you do not see this arrow, you can click here and select More Number Formats. The same dialog box will open for you. After this, go to the Numbers tab, then click on Custom. Where it says General, use the backspace to remove it and then type 3 semicolons. After typing 3 semicolons, click OK. As soon as you click OK, the data you had written will be hidden, and any new data you enter will also be hidden as you type. For example, I typed Rajesh here, and let us put the amount as 600. Then I typed Tay here, and 4500 as the amount. As we write data, it is being hidden here. If you want to unhide it, select the entire sheet again, right-click, go to Format Cells, or press Ctrl+1, go to Numbers, then Custom, and here you will see the 3 semicolons. Remove all 3, and then click OK. Now, as you can see, your data is visible again, and whatever you write here can be easily entered. For example, I typed far here and 4500 here. So this was how you can format using custom cells and how to hide and unhide data. Now for the second point, I'm going to teach you that inside format cells, whenever you type any price, you want to display Rs with it. For example, if I type 500 here, I want to add Rs with it, either at the beginning or at the end. So I typed 900 here and added Rs as well. Let us do it at the beginning. Here I type Rs, then 8500, then Rs again. Here I typed Rs, space, and 4500, then Rs again, and here 3500. Now, if I want to total these in the cell, let us see what happens. When I click here and type equals sum open parenthesis, select all 3 and close the bracket, the total will never work. It shows 0 as the answer because we have added both text and numbers with Rs. So, what we want is that whenever we total here, Rs should appear with the total as well as with the numbers. So I type 8500, 4500, and 3500. For this, what will I do? First, I will select these cells. Whether you have written data or not, select all the cells where you want to type Rs, press Ctrl+1 from the keyboard, go to Numbers, then Custom, and here, delete General. Then type double quote, Rs double quote, open parenthesis, inverted commas, close parenthesis, then a space, and then the number sign. After that, click OK. As soon as I click OK, you can see that Rs is now displayed here. Now if I use sum here, select all 3, close the bracket and press enter, you can see that the answer also shows Rs with the total. So this way you can add Rs here for rupees. Now for number 3, let us talk about this. We have amounts written here and we want to display them in K format. For example, if we have 1000, it should show as 1K, 5000 should show as 5K. We want to display them in K format, just like when you see videos on social media, the views are shown in K. So how can you display this in K format? Select all the cells where you want to change the formatting, press Ctrl+1 from the keyboard, go to Numbers, then Custom, and here click and delete it like this. After that, we will type here. Here, you need to add 0 point, and after 0, you need to put a point, then type 0, then a comma, and then type K. After that, click OK. As soon as you click OK, you will see that all your values have changed here. 2.5K means 2500, 1.5K means 1500, 5.0K means 5000, and 3.5K means 3500. In this way, you can also change the format here. Now for number 4, we will talk about how to remove zeros from the data. For example, you can see zeros in this data and we want to remove them. So what will we do? First, select the data, press Ctrl+1 from the keyboard, then click on Custom. After clicking on Custom, remove General from here again and type 0, then a semicolon, then 0, and then 2 more semicolons. After that, add the plus sign. As soon as you click OK, pay attention. The zeros here will disappear. So in this way, you can also make zeros disappear from here. If you want to bring them back, select the data again, press Ctrl+1, select and delete this, and click OK, and the zeros will come back. After that, for number 5, we will talk about how we want to keep only the zeros here and hide all the other numbers. For number 5, we will talk about how, among all the numbers present here except for the text, if you have any text written anywhere, such as product 1, product B, product free, or any product name, we want the text to remain here, but all the numbers to be hidden. For example, if we want to write something in between, like I wrote USP here or printer here, now I want only the text to remain here and all the numbers to be hidden. So select all the data, press Ctrl+1 from the keyboard, go to numbers, then to custom, and remove the existing format from here. After removing it, type 3 semicolons like 1, 2, 3, and then holding shift, add the plus sign and click OK. Now you will see that all the numbers have disappeared and only the text remains. If you want to bring the numbers back, use the same method. Press Ctrl+1, select the format, delete it, and click OK. The numbers will reappear. Similarly, if you want to hide the text here and keep only the numbers, if we want to hide the text here and keep only the numbers, then in step 6, we'll talk about how to hide the text here. So press Ctrl+1 from the keyboard, then go to custom, click on general here, remove it from here, and then type 0, semicolon, 0, semicolon, 0, and semicolon. After that, as soon as you click OK, you'll see that the text will be hidden and only the numbers will remain. Sometimes you might need to do this kind of formatting. To bring it back, press Ctrl+1 again, go to custom, delete it, and your data will return to normal mode. Now in step 7, let's talk about this. Suppose I have a 0 value here, and then here as well, and here too. Wherever there is a 0, we want to show a message. For example, here we want to show not available, or after that, stock not available. We can do this here as well. Select all the data. After selecting, you need to press Ctrl+1 from the keyboard, go to custom, and here you will see general written. Then put a semicolon once and again type general here. So this is what you need to type. After that, put a semicolon and in inverted commas, type the message you want to display in place of 0. So here you type not available, close the inverted commas and add a semicolon. After the semicolon, what you need to do is type general here again. And after that, as soon as you click on OK, you'll see that wherever there was a 0, it now shows not available. That is, the text you typed like NA will appear. So this was my lecture for today, in which I taught you some secrets about formatting cells. I hope you definitely learned something new in today's lecture. If you liked the video, please give it a like and share it with your friends. We'll meet in the next lecture. Until then, goodbye.